Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Helena, and today I want to share a story that hit me hard as a doctor and as a woman who's seen too many loved ones struggle in silence. A few years ago, I met John, a vibrant 62-year-old grandfather who used to light up a room with his laugh. But when he sat in my office, his eyes were heavy, his shoulders slumped. "Doctor, Helena," he whispered, "I don't recognize myself anymore. I'm tired all the time. My hands are cold, my energy's gone, and, well, my wife and we're not as close as we used to be." His voice broke, and I felt that ache in my chest. Maybe you felt it too, that quiet fear that aging is stealing the life you love. If you're over 60 or even approaching it and you've ever wondered, is this it? Is this what aging feels like? Please, don't look away. You need to hear this because what I'm about to share could change everything. It's not about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming the energy, confidence, and connection you deserve. And the secret, it's sitting in your kitchen right now, baking soda. Yes, that simple ingredient could help you improve circulation, boost energy, and even rekindle intimacy, naturally, safely, and without risky medications. If you don't watch this, you might miss a chance to turn back the clock on how you feel. So, stick with me and let's take this journey together. First, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your city or state in the comments below. It's such a joy to connect with you all across the country. And if you're ready to feel like you again, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss a single tip. Now, let's dive in. Chapter 1: Why Aging Feels Like a Thief. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or gray hair. It's about what's happening inside. After 60, your body's blood flow starts to slow. It's like a river that's getting sluggish, not carrying oxygen and nutrients the way it used to. This isn't just about feeling tired. It affects your brain, your heart, your muscles, and yes, your intimate life. I've seen it in patients like John who told me, "I feel like I'm letting my wife down." That's not just physical, it's emotional and it's heavy. The science is clear. As we age, our bodies produce less nitric oxide, a molecule that keeps blood vessels flexible and open. Less nitric oxide means tighter blood vessels, less blood flow, and a cascade of effects. Fatigue, cold hands and feet, brain fog, and even distance in relationships. But here's the good news. You can support your body to fight back, and it starts with understanding one simple, science-backed tool. Chapter 2: The Surprising Power of Baking Soda. When I first read about baking soda's potential to improve circulation, I raised an eyebrow. Like many of you, I thought of it as something for baking or cleaning. But sodium bicarbonate, baking soda's scientific name, does so much more. It helps balance your body's pH levels, which is critical after 60. Our modern diets, stress, and even dehydration can make our bodies too acidic, causing inflammation, constricted blood vessels, and reduced nitric oxide production. By gently alkalizing your system, baking soda helps your blood vessels relax, boosts nitric oxide, and improves blood flow. This means more oxygen to your brain, heart, and other vital areas. Patients have told me they feel clearer-headed, more energized, and even closer to their partners. It's not a miracle. It's your body doing what it's designed to do when given the right support. If you're still here, you're serious about your health, and I'm so proud of you. Drop the number 1 in the comments to let me know you're with me. Chapter 3: How to Use Baking Soda Safely and Effectively. Now, let's get practical. Using baking soda isn't about dumping it into every glass of water. It's about precision and care. Here's how to do it right. 1. The right dose. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of pure, food-grade baking soda, no additives, no aluminum, into 8 ounces of room-temperature water. Stir until it's fully dissolved. 2. The right time. Drink it first thing in the morning before breakfast or coffee. Your body is naturally more acidic after a night of fasting, so this is when baking soda works best. 3. The right frequency. Start with 3-4 times a week, not daily. Your body needs time to adjust and rebalance naturally. 4. Optional boost. Add a slice of fresh lemon for flavor and extra alkalizing benefits. I had a patient, Margaret, 67, who felt stuck in her body, sluggish, foggy, and disconnected from her husband. After 2 weeks of this routine, she called me, beaming. "Doctor, Helena, I'm walking faster, sleeping better, and my husband says I'm smiling more." That's the power of small, consistent changes. If you're still watching, you're committed, and I'm so grateful. Drop the number 3 in the comments to show you're ready to try this. Chapter 4. Mistakes to avoid. Baking soda is simple, but it's not foolproof. Here are pitfalls to steer clear of. 1. Don't overdo it. More isn't better. Too much baking soda can upset your stomach, raise blood pressure, or stress your kidneys. Stick to 1/4 teaspoon. 2. Don't use it daily. Your body needs breaks to maintain its natural balance. 3 to 4 times a week is plenty. 3. Choose the right kind. Only use pure, food-grade baking soda. Avoid products with additives or anti-caking agents, and never take it dry. It can cause discomfort or worse. 4. Talk to your doctor. If you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or are on a low-sodium diet, check with your doctor first. This is about respecting your body, not rushing in. These small details make all the difference. Avoid them, and you're setting yourself up for success. Chapter 5. Your first step to a stronger you. You've made it this far, and that tells me you're not just curious. You're ready to take action. Tomorrow morning, start with this simple habit. Wake up, pour 8 ounces of water, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and drink it slowly. Feel yourself giving your body a gentle reset. Do this 3-4 times a week and pay attention to the changes. More energy, clearer thinking, maybe even a warmer connection with your loved one. If you have health conditions, talk to your doctor first. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about sustainable, science-backed care. You're not chasing a younger you. You're becoming the best version of yourself right now. Closing. You are not alone. As I sit here, thinking of John, Margaret, and so many others, I want you to know something. You are not defined by your age or your struggles. That tiredness, that distance you feel, it's not the end. It's your body whispering, "I'm still here. Help me." And with 1 small glass of water, 1 quiet morning, you can answer that call. You're not alone in this. Thousands of men and women across the country are taking these steps, feeling stronger and rediscovering joy. If this resonates with you, take 3 actions. Like this video to let me know it hit home. Subscribe and tap the bell to join our community, and share this with someone who needs a nudge. Then, in the comments, tell me, where are you in your health journey? What's one thing you're ready to try? Your story could inspire someone else.